Oh, teri. Everything is just falling apart, so let's just break it. This is a fire hazard. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of We Builds. We have this Scorpio with us and we plan to restore it to 2024 S11 Classic. But it depends on how the condition is. We'll look around, we'll investigate and see if it is in a good condition, then we'll restore it and change it to the top model of the most recent model, obviously. But if it is not in a good condition, maybe we'll drop the project, because if we invest around, how much would it be, around 2 lakh rupees in it, it should be able to run for at least 5 years. So we'll see, let's see what the condition is. A small look around before we start. So this is a 2006 model Scorpio CRDI. It is not even M Hawk, but it is top of the line model of its time. It has all the features whatever you get in even in the latest Scorpio 2024. Whoa, the headrest of the back seats are just lying there. I was looking all around where are the headrests, but now see outside in the junk they are just lying there. Wow. Ek, do, teen. Even the supports are breaking. These steel supports are also breaking. But yeah, meanwhile, I think these can be restored. So let's just keep them in the car for the time being. Let's start with the initial inspection of the car from the passenger side. It is not giving me very good vibes. This drip rail, you see all the paint is cracking everywhere, and this drip rail is filled with a body filler and which is not done properly as well. And the worst part is the center part of this drip rail is completely missing, and at the back it is rusting, and as soon as you touch it, it just breaks. Let's take a look inside. The door is locked. The good thing about this is even if it is 2006 model, we still have a 2024 key. This key belongs to the latest model. This was upgraded long time ago. Now looking at the inside, it's the same. The drip rail has a very bad body filler and it is even rusting below that body filler. The worst part is it is not even sanded properly. Okay. On the gate, the door looks pretty good. It is not damaged anywhere, but this door trim, it is hanging there with Chinese screws there. The original screws and bolts are not there anymore. And oh wow, look at this. When you open the door, the A pillar is shaking completely. It is broken from two parts. It has rusted, and it has developed cracks in there. And the worst part is this running board is completely gone. It is not metal anymore. The last time it was repaired, I guess the mechanic, what they did is they just filled it with cloth and cardboard and everything, and then they applied body filler over it and then just painted it, so it's not metal anymore. Under this rubber also, it is rusting at various places. Very bad rusting on the left side. Yep. On the top, I already have shown you the rails are very bad, but this side step, it looks strong. Yeah, it's not moving at all. So yeah, the side step is strong. At the passenger side, let's see. Oh, it's locked again. Unlock. Okay, yeah, at the passenger side, the door is absolutely fine. The seals of the doors are perfect. It's not damaged anywhere. But yeah, at the bottom, it doesn't look so good. It has started to rust a little bit, but this can still be salvaged, but not this running board. You see, it's completely hollow from in there. The trims are still there for the side step, but yeah, the running board is, wow, man, it's okay. Again, under the rubber, this side looks fine. There's no rusting in here. Original welding is also, it still exists. Yeah, this is fine. So let's just put this back on. And now you look at this roof, man. Not even the drip rail, the roof itself is made of body filler. They just put body filler, put it in shape, and then painted it. And the back, as I told you, it's just breaking apart. So very bad condition of the drip rail. Let's just break it. Le gift, le.
Wingardium Leviosa.
So overall, this is the condition of the left side. It is not very promising. As I said, here at the bottom, the plastic pieces are missing, which could have saved a little bit of rusting. The side trims are just hanging there with screws. Let's move on to the back and see what we got at the back. At the back, the condition, oh, it's locked. Wait. Talking about the back here, we have to change this entire back door, so we don't have to worry about its condition so much, but it's still in good shape. And then inside, I don't see much rusting, but the spoiler, oh teri. Wow, the spoiler is in a bad shape. It's just shaking so bad, so we'll have to fix this. Oh, and it got this shower to clean the back window. As I told you, it is the top model of its time. Nice.
मजे के लिए थोड़ी है.
So yeah, the backside is not so bad, but again, it doesn't matter so much. Moving on to the right side, the drip rail is rusted again, but not as bad. But the good thing is the roof rails are very solid. They are not even moving. So one less thing to worry about. Now let's talk about the wheels. The the alloy wheels are from a different company altogether, Tata. But the good thing is the tires are absolutely new, so we don't have to worry about that. The cladding is a bit loose again, but we have to change it, so not to worry about that as well. Bonnet. Acha. Let's open the bonnet. Look here, the bonnet lock is also broken. So here there is supposed to be a hook kind of thing which goes inside the lock and locks the bonnet, which does not exist in this case. But yeah, we have to change the bonnet, so again we don't have to worry. The grill is gonna be replaced, the front bumper, the headlights are also going to be replaced, but showing you the current condition, the headlights are okay. These fenders are absolutely fine, but again we have to change the claddings as well, the fenders as well, headlights, bumpers, everything. The front face, basically we are going to change everything, so we don't have to worry about all this. But the things that we don't have to worry about, they are all in a very good shape. The engine is really good. It has a very nice pickup. Anyways, Scorpio is known for its pickup, so yeah, that's why we are doing this build anyways.
तो V12 में एक ही जगह थोड़ी होते हैं 12.
इसमें है, ये स्कॉर्पियो है हमारी है.
V12 में तो ऐसा होता है.
देखो ये हरियाणा की है, ये अलग है.
Oh yeah, one more thing. Here the base of this battery, like the metal where the battery sits, is all rusted. So the battery moves, and when we drive, it just falls down to this metal part. Right there, I'll show you the mark. Right here, it falls down here, and it is a fire hazard. So we have to fix this. All the tanks, the water tanks, are just falling down. They don't sit in their places anymore. So we will fix those, not to worry about this. The front, this rail is good enough. It is not rusted from anywhere, and the bonnet is good.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि देखो.
Coming back to the tires, this is one of the best things of this car. The tires are still 80-90% there, and as I said, the engine is pretty good. There's no problems with that, and that was like the look around for exterior. But yeah, there's one more thing. The pillars, A pillars, both got big holes in them, so we need to fix those. Let's go and take a look inside. Starting inside, okay, this steering, oh, the horn cover is already coming out, but yeah, that's no big deal because the steering is gonna be replaced completely once we start working on the interior, but the horn still works. Check this out.
Ayo.
Yeah, so the horn still works. Put this cap back on. Other than that, interior, everything basically we are gonna change. The dashboard will be completely new, the steering will be completely new, the controls will be new, and the key we already have replaced, so we don't have to worry about that. The key is good. Now let's get inside. This is how it looks now. The dashboard, we have this music system which is 10 inches, but in the original it comes as 9 inches, so we'll have to buy a trim and replace it somehow because 10 inches won't fit in the new dashboard. Yeah, but we'll do some arrangements. Then here is how the center console look. These power window controls will go on the door because in S11 Classic we get the controls on the door. So yeah, that's that. So we'll have to install all the door trims also, and the meter also. The meter will be new from S11 Classic. Then this center console will be completely replaced, and then we have this gear boot. This gear boot will be replaced. We'll have a new one right there, and the whatever I touch is falling apart right now, so the glove box also will have to replace. Then on the roof, maybe we will wash it or clean it, or maybe we will replace it. Wow, it has a mic right there. So as I told you, it has all the features, this car. Yeah, so the roof will have to wash or do something. The seats are in pretty good shape, just the handrest is bended. Maybe we'll fix that, maybe we'll replace it. Let me show you. You check this out. This is bent and it is going out of shape downwards. So yeah, maybe we can salvage it. So if we can, because the seats are look pretty new, the covers are new, so we'll use them. Otherwise, we'll have to replace the seats also. Now the back seat, it doesn't look so good, so maybe we'll put a seat cover on, or we will decide if we want captain seats or not. On the roof we will install some lights and maybe the Rolls Royce type star lights as well, starlights or something. Yeah, and then we'll see. Now moving on to, we will change all the mats to 70 mats, and the floor blanket also maybe we will change. So that's the plan. Let's see. This is how it looks at the back, and yep. So basically that's the condition inside, and we'll get back to it once we start working on the interior as well. Now back to the exterior. Let me tell you, we'll have to change this fender completely, and then the new fender will be placed here, which will also come with a badging of Scorpio, the new one. Then the side mirrors, these look pretty new, so maybe we will not have to change these. I guess we'll work with these only. And then the front windshield, okay, yeah, the front windshield, I was thinking to, yeah, the front windshield, I was thinking that I will not change it, but then this, look at this, it is just broken. I mean, it's cracked. Something just hit it on the corner, and if it hits at the corner, you know, there's a crack on the whole windshield. So yeah, that's that. We'll have to change the windshield also, I guess. And then the door handles are, you know, of this shape, so that's why we won't have to make a lot of cuttings and all. If though these were of the flap types, then we'll have to make some cuttings and then install the new ones, but I guess for this one we can just install new door handles like that. The claddings will be changed, and this footrest, luckily it's in a good condition, so we can just paint it, and the footrest trims are also there, so that works like that only. We won't have to replace it. Then the roof rails are pretty good condition, we'll just paint them. The alloy wheels are good. This window also is good, we will not have to change it, but the back trim is of a different shape, so we might have to change that, but we'll see how. The backlights, the top of these backlights also need to be changed because they are of a different shape. So that was the initial inspection, how it looks and what is the current condition of this car. I'm only worried about the left side. Left side is in a really bad shape, so if we can make this work, I mean, if we can make this build work, we'll have to really work on the left side. If we can do this, then this build will be successful. So let's see. So see you in the next one. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.